We are pleased to show you the 2014 Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, ambient lighting, power brakes, airbags, front knee, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.